How does it feel to be you?
How does it feel to be that bitch? How does it
I never had thoughts that control me. I feel something bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shameless. Today we are going to try on this wig here. I've joined the synthetic gang. I'm super excited and I'm in a rush. Why is it? Guys, I have this wig in my room since I don't know how many weeks, but is it stuck? This is a great way to start a review. Is it glued somewhere? I don't understand. What is going on? What is going on? I didn't do my nails, sorry guys. Just watch the last vlog so you can see the whole mess. But the previous vlog, you will see how nicely I've done my nails. Anyways, today we are talking about the sensational wig called Zelena in the color Flamboyage Sand. Oh, the lace is nice. The hair feels nice. I think it's a 13x6 wig if I'm not mistaken, or at least it looks like it. But here there's not really much space. And inside it has a total of 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 here in the back. And those adjustable straps. The lace, guys, the lace, wait. Yeah, that's the definition of what a lace. First, I'm going to use a little bit of mousse just to bring my hair back. My hair is in a ponytail. I just came back from the wedding actually, and yesterday we were all rocking a ponytail. Put a wig cap on. I don't really do the bold cap method. I think I tried it one time and no thank you. I have to come this close to see without glasses. Okay. While it dries, in the meantime, we're gonna take the wig, turn it around. I think the lace is pretty good and it's very thin. I'm still going to color the lace a little bit using the tinted lace mousse from Ebin. Oh, why is it so watery? Oh no! What is going on? Does it look so orange? It usually actually tints very well. I think I have to shake it. My mom is going to kill me, not me shaking the mousse. And the color is everywhere, even on my Yesu. Either my bottle is broken or Eben, you need to fix that one because no. What I do now is just comb the hair to the back. What I really like is that you have more options on how tight you want your wig to sit. So let's see how this, oh God. This wig install is not going where I want it to go. I'm a savage. I look so nice. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. I'm just going to cut the lace like this. I have a fan. I found the mini version of the mini fan and I love it. Oh my God, my train is coming in 30 minutes. It would be so much easier if it would be a 5x5 lace wig, because with those wigs I feel more comfortable. Okay. I think I will go and get my mirror. It looks amazing. Sorry, what lace? I think with the bold cap method, you will look stunning. This week, everyone should try it. Let me spray some on the side. This lace is so thin, guys. Oh, that's crazy. Super crazy about the synthetic wig. Is this white? Oh my god. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. You can touch my hair and dress me any. Touch up here a little bit. To do some more touch-ups. I love the hair like this. Oh my god, I think I'm going to do a middle part. But I have one problem. I think you guys can see it already. The lace. I don't even want to do edges or anything.
And I don't even feel guilty about it.
I think if it's... Oh, I could perfectly work this hair to work it. Guys, I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. I think in my vlog I'm going to style the hair, but for today, because here I think I didn't glue it properly, that's why we're just going to leave it like this. Right now I don't have any shedding, but I didn't brush through my hair. That's the first time I'm actually finger combing through my hair, and this is the amount of shedding I've got. I like it, guys. Let me check how the side part is going to look. Oh, maybe I want to go with the side part. Let me do this. Oh, I said I didn't want to brush through and I did. Oh, it actually looks good. One thing I have to do is... Whose girl is this? I will have to use some mousse because here I didn't glue the hair down properly. I don't know how to lay wigs properly, but I think the uglier the synthetic wig looks, the higher the chances that I will get me a fine rich man, because
bombastic side eye.
But I look good though. I know this. I love the color. Oh my god, guys, I waited so many months. I think I waited over a year. No, I waited 1.5 years for first to be shipped to Germany, second of all to be back in stock, and third of all to have the money to actually afford this, because the shipping was more double expensive than this wig. And I am not mad at it, guys. I am not mad. And it's literally fits to the Barbie theme. I think my friend wanted to do like a Barbie meetup, link up, and I'm going to rock this hair. Okay guys, like, subscribe and share, show some love. Go to my TikTok, watch the video, check out my vlog. Let's have some fun, because I have another wig that I have to try on, which I waited for 2 years and now I finally have it. Oh my god, I think I'm going back to the wig gang, because...
And I bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready.